Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting an app timer's screen usage limit on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung phone and you maybe have had or used screen timers in the past and you either want to change the limitation or delete it altogether, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just scroll up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then underneath settings, you want to select the apps button. Go ahead and select that. So under general, you want to select screen time. And then locate whatever app you want to remove the limit for on your Samsung device. You can see a little hourglass next to it. And you may not see it here. You might have to expand show all of your apps and scroll through the list. So once you have the app in question, go ahead and open it up and select the app timer button underneath settings. And then you can select either delete limit, or you can change this limit settings up here at the top and then just select OK once you're done. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.